Hello, Business Finance 330 online. This is Professor Hassey. It is our introduction video to week number 1 for our online class this week, September 29th, Tuesday at 6 p.m. Now, this is an online class, as I explained in our introduction video of last week to our course, but I still will be having online lectures every Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock. Those lectures are optional for the student. You do not have to attend, but I will be recording them. But trust me, attending those lectures can make the class material a lot easier, and you can get a little bit more value out of your class by attending those. The lectures will be about 2 hours long at the most. I'll be recording them, but they will add a lot to your experience of doing the class online. Every week, I will do an introduction video on Sunday for the week beginning Tuesday. This week, as you can see, here's our agenda. We'll be talking about what is finance, the definition of finance, chapters 1 and 2, talking about financial markets. I'll be going over some review problems. Again, you do not have to do them if you don't want to. Those are just strictly review problems to get to know the definitions and the material. You also have a discussion post this week. Some of you have already posted to it on your bios to give us an introduction to yourself and show me how you know how to use Blackboard, and also prepare a spreadsheet at the end of the week for the close of business on on Friday, October 2nd, a financial portfolio of stocks. And we'll talk more about that Tuesday in our lecture. So make sure you are familiar with our Blackboard. Let me just bring our Blackboard up here. There I am. Hi, guys. I am in Claremont, California. That's where my office is, in just down the road from the Laverne campus. But this is our online classroom for this coming fall term. So let me bring up our YouTube site, which some of you still need to attend and take a look at it. So make sure you do that before our class on Tuesday and our week begins. So make sure you're familiar with the YouTube site. Naturally, we have our syllabus and all that material, and there's my course introduction video of last week that you can review again if you'd like by just clicking on that in your Blackboard. We have our Zoom and YouTube links. Remember, we do have a YouTube playlist where all our videos are. If you click on that link, you go to that playlist. Here's the link to our Tuesday class at 6 o'clock. You click on that in our Zoom classroom, you're there. And then I have student hours every Monday and Wednesdays from 3 to 5 p.m. if you want to sit down or want to review anything with me. But I am available all hours during the course of the week via text, email, or Zoom. And then we have the student discussion file folder where you can post questions if you have them, but also do your work for the upcoming week with their bio. See, as you can see, 2 students have already posted, and this is where you'll post your spreadsheet at the end of the week. This is a graded assignment, so don't forget that. And then we go to week 1, where you'll see the agendas and all that sort of thing, and PowerPoints of the chapters, the review problems that we'll review, all kinds of information to get you prepped for our week of online study. So make sure you see that. But before we conclude our introduction video, just a short little, it's kind of a dopey video, but it gives us a definition of finance. It's from our YouTube list, and I wanted to show it to you as an introduction to this week. So let's take a look at that video.
It's the role of the Chief Financial Officer.
Okay, not the coolest video, but it gives basically the definitions that we're going to be talking about in our lecture on Tuesday, September 29th. So again, here's what we're going to try to be accomplishing this first week of our class. I look forward to working with you all again in the next couple of days before Tuesday night. Make sure you get on Blackboard, you see what our class has to offer, look at the syllabus. If you have any questions or concerns, we'll talk about that. One of the things we'll be doing down the road in a week or so is we'll be having professor interviews where each one of you will have the opportunity one-on-one to meet with me for 10 or so minutes just to go over any issues or concerns you have with the class, or just to get to know me. So we'll be doing that in the second week of our course. So have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you all Tuesday night at 6 o'clock. Thanks, everybody.